Okay, students, now in the grade 8 lessons. So we are discussing in the second term lesson, students, 12th lessons. Now we have come to triangles and quadrilaterals, right? So this part is exterior angles of a triangles, right? So let's see what about the exterior angles of a triangle, right? So let's see. Okay, now let's see first, student, what is an exterior angle of a triangle, right? So what is an exterior angle, right? So let's see triangle, right? See, this is my triangle, student, right? One straight line segment, so this is a straight line, three straight lines, so this is a triangle, right? So I name this triangle as a capital ABC triangle, right? Now I'm going to form exterior angle, right? Form an exterior angle. How do that, student? We should produce a side, right? So see, I'll produce AB side. You can see AB side produce, right? Extend up to, you name as D, right? So now you can see in this B vertex, see B vertex, two sides are there. One side is AB and BC, right? Those are the two sides. So in this B vertex, I produce AB side, right? So then produce side and non-produce side form an angle. Produce side and non-produce side form an angle. So that angle is called exterior angle. Exterior angle, right? So using these letters, you can name this exterior angle, student. So how to name? One way, you can begin C. If you go to B and D, you can name CBD angle. CBD angle. Or if you like, you can name beginning from D, DBC angle. Right? So that is how to form exterior angle. This is how to name the exterior angle. Okay. Now students, in a triangle, so there are exterior angles, right? So earlier I explained you what is an exterior angle. Right now I am going to find how many exterior angles are there in a triangle, right? So let's see, this is my triangle, right? So I name this triangle as capital A, B and C, right? Now you know, student, here a vertex, capital A is a vertex, capital B is a vertex, and also capital C is another vertex, right? So there are three vertices, right? Now if I consider the vertex B, so I can extend, or I can produce these two sides, right? So I am going to produce, see, I produce AB side, right? So according to letters, AB side produce, extend, right? So I extend up to D, right? Then I here form exterior angle, right? Now I am going to produce this CB side, CB side produce, right? So that is up to say E, right? Now you can see here the produce AB side and non-produce side form an angle. So this one, so this is defined as exterior angle, right? So this is one exterior angle. So here you can see, if I produce CB side, then non-produce side is AB, here also form an exterior angle. So in this B vertex there are two exterior angle. This one also exterior angle and this one is also exterior angle. But remember the students, we learn a result. This is straight line segment CE and AD also straight line segment. Those straight lines intersected B point. Then we define these two angles are vertically opposite angle. So these two angles are equal in magnitude. Equal in magnitude. So therefore these two angles equal. So if we go to the exterior angles of a triangle, we consider only one exterior angle. This angle or this angle. Only one. Right? So by using that result, considering one exterior angle of this each vertex, C vertex, one exterior angle. There are two exterior angles, right? But we take only one exterior angle, right? So using that result, right, considering only one exterior angle, right? So see this figure, this is my triangle, right? So then I produce one side here, then I produce this side also, right, and this side also. Then you can see here this is one exterior angle of this point, and here another exterior angle, here another exterior angle. So in this vertex I consider only one exterior angle, right? So this vertex also same like that. Now how many exterior angle are there, student? 1 2 3. So there are three exterior angles. So this is we are going to consider, right? You can take any exterior angle, but we consider only one exterior angle. Okay, student? Right. Now okay, student. Now we are going to take the sum of the exterior angle of a triangle, right? We are going to take the sum of these three exterior angle, right? So then see, this is my triangle, student, right? So I name as ABC triangle, right? Then I produce one side, AB side produce, then BC side also produce, and also CA side produce, right? So then I form here one exterior angle, here another exterior angle, and this A vertex here another exterior angle, right? So there are three exterior angles. Now if you draw this triangle in a piece of paper, if you colored mark anyway, now you can cut this exterior angle, this colored part you can cut, right? So suppose if you cut those three, now if you mark a point here, you can paste this exterior angle like this. See student, I cut this angle, this colored part, and put here, right? So this is my vertex. Then I take this green color angle and put here, say, okay, along this line and at this point. Then this blue color angle I can put here. Now you can see, student, these three angles form around that point. So whole angle is angle around this point, that is 360 degree. That means if you add these three angles, that is equal to 360 degree. If you go to triangle, student, we can say this angle and also this exterior angle. If you add, the sum of the exterior angle of a triangle is 360 degree, right? So that is the result we are going to use. Okay, students, let's move to examples. My first example is, student, this is the figure, three exterior angle produced, then this exterior angle 110 degree and this one is 150 and this one is x degree. Now we want to find this value of x, right? So magnitude of this angle. So these all are, you can see, exterior angle. So each vertex exterior angle. So we can use the result. Sum of these three angle is 360 degree. Right. So write the sum: x degree plus 110 degree plus 150 degree. So that should be equal to 360 degree. So that is the result I am going to use. Now you can see, student, these two angles we can add. That means x plus 110 plus 150 is you get 260 degree. So that is equal to 360 degree. So this equation you can see, if you remove this 260, added 260, you can find x. How to remove the added 260, student? You have to subtract 260 from the left hand side and also from the right hand side, right? So then you can see positive 260 degree, negative 260 degree, that is cut 0, x remain 360 minus 260, that is 100 degree, right? So that is the value of x, that means magnitude of this angle. Right, now move to another example. Example 2, student. This is figure. Now I mark here, this is x degree exterior angle, and this angle exterior 2x degree, and this angle 3x degree. Each angle x, right? x2, x3x unknown. Now we can use the result. What is exterior angle? Sum of three exterior angle, x plus 2x plus 3x, that is equal to 360. Any values that should be equal to 360. Now you can see here x2, x3, x, all are x unknown, like terms you can add, right? X plus 2x, 3x plus 3x, that is 6x, that should be equal to 360. Now see, x multiplied by 6, that means divide by 6, this side should divide by 6, then 6 cut here, x is remain 360 divided by 6, that is 60 degrees. So that is the magnitude of x. In coming up next video, you will see what is exterior angles of quadrilateral. So keep in touch with Maths Globe YouTube channel.